Your blessings from the island, fire burning in my soul, Rastama. I came across the ocean, from Jamaica's golden shore
to Rapa Nui's magic,
where the spirits dance once more.
I saw her by the moai,
with flowers in her hair, her hips move like the ocean, a rhythm beyond compare. The island drums were calling, her feet touched sacred ground. She danced with all the ancestors, and my heart began to pound. Breathe in, breathe out, island queen of fire. Breathe in, breathe out, you lift my soul up higher. Breathe in, breathe out, your dance sets me free. Breathe in, breathe out, mystic Rapa Nui.
Her skirt a woven plumbing,
swayed under the moon,
her voice a gentle whisper
that sang a sacred tune.
She looked at me with fire,
from miles of ancient gold,
a love that crossed two islands,
a story to be told.
The island drums were calling,
her feet are sacred ground.
She danced with all the ancestors,
and my heart began to pound. Breathe in, breathe out, island queen of fire. Breathe in, breathe out, you lift my soul up higher. Breathe in, breathe out, your dance sets me free. Breathe in, breathe out, mystic Rapa Nui. Two worlds collide in harmony.
Jamaica's fire,
the island sea,
the Rasta,
and the Rapa Nui dancing through eternity. Breathe in, breathe out, island corner fire. Breathe in, breathe out, you lift my soul up higher. Breathe in, breathe out, your dance sets me free. Breathe in, breathe out, mystic Rapa Nui. God bless this island queen, Rastaman, Rapa Nui, forever green.
Mahatu, Donata amor. Come, walk with me. You came across the ocean with dreadlocks in the wind, but you don't know the magic that Rapa Nui hides within. Let me show you mysteries where the more you touch the sky, where spirits of our ancestors dance when the night is nigh. The island drums are calling, the waves sing low and sweet. Your heart must turn my hand before our souls can meet. Breathe in, breathe out, my hat to of Jamaica. Breathe in, breathe out, you must prove your love to take her. Breathe in, breathe out. Rapa Nui's mystery. The caves of Anakai Tangata, whole stories yet untold. The Birdman's sacred race, a legacy of old. I'll take you to Orongo, where the cliffs meet the sea. And if your heart is worthy, you'll share this land with me. The island drums are calling, the waves sing low and sweet. Your heart must earn my hand before our souls can meet. Breathe in, breathe out, my hat to of Jamaica. Breathe in, breathe out, you must prove your love to take her. Breathe in, breathe out, this island holds the key. Breathe in, breathe out, to Rapa Nui's mystery. From Jamaica's fire, you came to my island's sacred flame. Tamata moa moa, earn my love and I'll be yours the same. Breathe in, breathe out, my hat the wolf Jamaica. Breathe in, breathe out, you must prove your love to take her. Breathe in, breathe out, this island holds the key. Breathe in, breathe out, to Rapa Nui's mystery. My heart do, my heart do. Tokata moa moa, come find your way to me.
Rastaman, I whisper low and slow beneath the mango tree. Your eyes have caught my soul. Your skin holds island fire with every gentle smile. You pull my heart back high. The flowers in your way perfume the afternoon. The air bends your wind slow when you look at me so soon. Breathe in, breathe out, flowers of my land, flowers of my land. Breathe in, breathe out, stay here in my hand, stay here in my hand. Breathe in, breathe out, you set my heart alive, set my heart alive. Breathe in, breathe out, mellow through the night, mellow through the night. Your waist moves like the moon, your voice heals in the night. You are the rain that falls, the root that sings so bright. The flowers in your way perfume the afternoon. The air bends low and slow when you look at me so soon. Breathe in, breathe out, flowers of my land, flowers of my land. Breathe in, breathe out, stay here in my hand, stay here in my hand. Breathe in, breathe out,
Forever
sweet. Breathe in, breathe out, let the spirits guide your hand in mine by the ocean side. The sun keeps watch with the golden eye, and the gods above hear a humble cry. Spirit bird, fly with me to the sky. Yeah. Spirit bird, where the ancestors never die. Yeah. Spirit bird, heart to heart we rise. Spirit bird, mellow through the sky. The cliffs of Orongo stand so tall, echoes of warriors who gave their all. An egg in hand, a leap of faith, for the love of family they would raise. Breathe in, breathe out, let the spirits guide your hand in mine by the ocean side. The sun keeps watch with the golden eye, and the gods above hear a humble cry. Spirit bird, fly with me to the sky. Yeah. Spirit bird, where the ancestors never die. Yeah. Spirit bird, heart to heart we rise. Spirit bird, mellow through the sky. When the world feels heavy, we return to the slow. The more I stand silent, but we're not alone. The ocean remembers, the spirits remain. Love for the island flows through every vein. Every I go. Spirit bird, carry me on high. Spirit bird, where the ancestors never die. Spirit bird, together we will fly. Spirit bird, into the endless sky. Spirit bird, the